Okay. You see the Mustang? I'm not gonna want to.
What happened?
You're being arrested for obstruction. Just twice now.
June 15th, 2025, on a quiet summer evening, police patrol officers receive reports of a white Mustang behaving suspiciously in a residential neighborhood. As the police cruiser pulls into the back of the vehicle, two figures suddenly dash off, a man and a woman, into a nearby home before police can get close. A few minutes later, investigators discover the woman who lives at the address, and the man she was with, are 26-year-old Nate Wilson.
You got anything on you?
Huh? What, sir?
I'm gonna hang out with Sam.
I'm sorry, I was getting ready to dye my hair. I didn't even know.
You just come in that Mustang? Bro?
Yeah, you did.
I'm not gonna want to.
What happened though? Why are they in trouble? Like, are they in trouble for something?
Well,
I saw you get out of the car and walk in.
you know, Nate don't have a license yet.
Where did you drive?
I'm not.
I was not driving.
I literally saw you.
That, Nate.
You had 3 officers see you get out of that car.
Yeah, but I wasn't driving.
Okay.
Who else is with you?
No, seriously.
What ghost was driving that car if you weren't?
I was not driving.
What ghost was driving
I was
then?
not driving.
Okay. Yeah, 3 officers
happened?
see you.
They didn't see me get out of the driver's seat.
Oh, I didn't? I didn't just see you get out?
Of the driver's seat? No,
Yeah.
you didn't.
Oh, so that Mustang just drove itself? You were in the passenger seat?
Yes,
Is that a Tesla or something?
I'm saying.
You were driving.
I was not driving.
I don't understand.
Nate.
I'm confused.
This is the deal, Nate. I'm not worried about you driving the car. Okay. I really don't give 2 shits about that.
I'm not driving.
What
That's fine.
happened?
I'm not worried about it. Not even
May I
taking
ask?
citation.
I mean-
I really don't give a shit.
Okay.
I'm worried about
I
who
care
else
about
is with
Dennis.
you.
Like well-being.
So if you help me out, I can help you out, right? But if you ain't helpful with me, I can arrest you right now, tow the vehicle, do the whole 9.
Oh, please don't do that to Dennis's car. He'd be so upset.
Which I understand. I'm looking for who you were with. Where'd she go?
She. You confused it with not a female.
Who was it?
It wasn't a female.
Who was it? Yeah.
What did you guys do?
Nothing.
Don't reach in your pockets.
There's gotta be something you guys did to get pulled over and run in. What did you do?
Well, he's revoked, so he shouldn't have been driving to begin with.
I wasn't driving.
Okay.
What did you guys do?
You didn't do anything.
Oh, Dennis gonna call the police.
You really didn't do anything.
And then you wait. I am looking for whoever just ran into your house.
Ran in the house.
Yep.
Like what? Short foot.
So they were in your car. As soon as I pulled
In
up
my
behind
car.
them, both of them took off, darted inside the house. One of them was Nate Wilson. I'm curious to find out who the other person
What
was.
car did they have?
Your white Mustang.
Your Mustang?
It's supposed to be in the garage.
Well, Nate was just driving it.
Just passed
Huh?
3 officers.
Sure, they didn't just take it out of the driveway and put it in the garage.
Nate was just driving it, and
They took off. They passed 3 officers. Pulled into your driveway. They didn't pull in your driveway. Parked on the grass.
Are they in here now? Where the fuck they at? Get 'em.
That's what I'm looking for. I'm making sure that is it okay if I look and try and
You
find out?
look wherever you want, kick your fucking ass and you get them. And make them shoes off.
have you went upstairs yet?
I'm not. You want to hold it upstairs? And
They were supposed to put it out of the driveway in the garage.
Yep, Nate Wilson was just driving it.
Who?
Nate Wilson?
I don't know. Hang out. They're not down basement. And they didn't come by me go upstairs. Come in. Let's look in the back.
So I already talked to Heidi and Nate are there. Nate was hiding in the back.
Scared.
Okay.
You see her?
Not gonna want to take this. Justin, she's with. Come on. This is the Mustang? Okay, go walk on out.
Where his dad just passed away. He had permission to drive it and put it in the shed.
Who did?
Your brother, where they're going. Okay. That's the real name, I think.
Not gonna be right there. You have to return on Justin too, bud. What we out doing tonight, fellas?
Who's this guy? Who's this one?
That's Justin Trueblood.
Yeah, he's the one. He's got a license. He's the one.
He does have a license.
He's supposed to put it in
For
the
expired
shed.
since when?
He's supposed to be putting in the garage, and he told me they were going to go to the gas station, and I let him go, and I went to
By
put
the
my hair.
That's no, what's the stop for?
I don't need anything.
That's what I'm
It's not a traffic stop. Nobody did a traffic stop on you. I saw two people run into the house after I pulled out after them.
You know
And that
my
was
son?
Oh, I did. But you guys ran into the house anyway.
Just where I live. Of course I did.
You run into the house wherever you live?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, then no.
He
No, you
doesn't
don't.
live here, though, no, at the moment.
The police returned to talk to the woman. Despite confirming that Nate had just been found, she insisted that she didn't know who Nate was, and he wasn't here. The officer grew impatient. The three of us saw him come with you and run into this house. The inconsistencies in her statements led the police to conclude that she was deliberately withholding information.
If I would have done a traffic stop on you, we would have just had a written warning and been done with this. But then you ran inside here, did all this, made me all suspicious about what was going on here. Okay, ain't need to be like that, right? So next time, just stop. You've dealt with us enough. We're fairly cool with you. Always try to be respectful. Okay, just ain't no need to run inside doing all that. Okay, all right, y'all go ahead and get.
Thank you.
All right, brother.
No problem.
Sorry.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. You're a lot on here.
Hey,
143, 145.
Nate was in here a minute ago.
What
Was he
I
still
said.
here?
No, they left.
Yeah.
As far as I know, they left.
Oh, your fan's making noise.
Yeah, it's my dresser.
Oh, okay.
Who's he looking for?
Nate?
I don't know him.
You don't know him?
Is he just here visiting or what?
Yeah.
We're looking for Nate, so.
Yeah.
Where's
that know they took off? Where'd they go, you know?
I don't know where they were going. I didn't ask.
All
I'm
three
trying
of
to dye
them?
my damn hair. Look at me. Like, son of a bitch, man. Stripe dollars all up, okay?
No, if they come back, I'll handcuff them and get me here and call you.
Well, that'd be nice.
I kicked your ass first.
That'd be
My
fine.
first? What the hell I do wrong? I haven't done anything. As far as I know.
Started off, he was supposed to put the Mustang in the shed.
Yeah.
I
She
know,
told
but
me to
you...
go get cigarettes. Anyway, she caused it all.
I caused it on. What are you talking about?
All right.
I'm like a good one here.
You care if we...
Find him, just take her with
Yeah. Are you sure
Okay,
he's not
let's go.
upstairs, ma'am?
What's your name, I said?
No, they're not.
I'm Paul's grandson.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I said
yeah.
your name.
Yeah,
Yeah.
his brother.
Yeah, my brother, Mr.
Yep.
Paul.
So it's your relations.
Yeah, we're distant
Well,
kin.
Well, I'm fucked
No
now.
blood relation.
Yeah, we're distant
You're lucky
kin.
he knows me.
Yeah.
Oh, your ass to jail.
Can we look around and see if he's here?
I don't care what you do.
I would rather they don't. Come on,
Look,
they're not
look at
here.
them.
I'm telling you, they're not here.
Well, then they
They
hurt.
left.
Look around, just don't get hurt.
All right, thanks, Dennis.
So what you want?
Where were they at?
Over here.
No, they're not here.
What's your name, partner? Dustin?
Justin.
Justin.
What's up?
Oh, what's your name, boss?
He's here, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, we got him.
Heidi.
Come on.
Tell the truth. Come here. Oh, he is. Put your hands behind your back. Get arrested before we put this out? No. Yeah, drop it.
Before leaving, the police searched her bag and person to make sure she was not carrying any dangerous objects. They asked if she wanted to get her coat before taking her to the car. She was put in the police car. The police said clearly, "You will be taken to the county jail and see a judge tomorrow morning."
You try. Damn it, I'm trying to dye my hair.
Go in here and
No, I can't now. I'm gonna wait and see what's going on. I already have some rolled.
I'll take that.
Damn it. I'm sorry. This is like the third time I've done this, you know.
All right, ma'am, go ahead and place your hands on your back.
What, am I in seriously in trouble? For
Obstruction.
what?
You're being arrested for obstruction. You lied just twice now.
Hot dog. I ain't bailing around around here.
Well, you could have
I
just been
swear I
honest.
won't talk to my TV again. Please don't.
That's what you said, what, 3 times now?
I promise I won't. Seriously. a lot of health issues. I got a colostomy bag and everything.
We'll just throw it all away.
Okay, well, you could have been honest with us and just said,
I know I
he's
could
here.
have. Listen, please don't.
Oh, man, you got it.
You got to double lock these so they don't tighten down on you.
You got 10 on you?
Crap.
Okay.
Do we really have to do this? Please.
This is obstruction. You got anything on you that's going to stick me quickly?
Sir, I
like
don't.
that?
I have a phone in my pocket. Maybe a lighter.
Stuff down over there.
Can we please not do this? I won't lie to you again. I swear on my life, I won't.
I've heard that before.
I won't. I have a lot of health issues. You don't understand. There's nothing in there. I promise you that.
You have a bra on or anything like
No,
that?
I don't.
Okay.
She's got a bag on. She has.
I know, and I don't have them
You
with me.
good?
I shouldn't have lied.
I don't know, take her up.
Those are just, you know what? You said give it to him, I'll give it to him.
You have any spare bags anywhere?
I'll put it on your book.
Scale?
Not really. No.
Ooh. You know the game.
Because I'd ask the dentist to grab them if you had any here.
I don't know where they're at.
What do you need? What you need?
I don't need anything, Dennis. That's fine.
Take it with you?
Just did 12 does 1 mil right to 95. 143 does 1 2 mil right to 95.
Oh, I've got a gun up there too. They done messing with it. It has the kid stole my pistol.
I don't know what's going on with that yet.
Oh, I bullshit.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're stuck. Hey, they
I
were here.
know,
Yeah.
but
What, did you have a warrant for him or something?
And then,
I don't know him, I don't think.
What are they for? Tiny sandwiches? You want the book to go
is
with
it
you?
possible I can get out tonight?
You want the stuff to go with you?
No, you'll see a judge in the morning.
They taking her to jail?
They're taking me to jail.
For obstruction.
I
I wish
got
I
no
wouldn't.
money to
I
get her
won't
out.
lie again. I promise you.
I ain't got no money to get her out.
I'm sorry.
And she got all that.
I know I
Bag
got
on
so
that
many
shit.
health conditions going on. It's not funny.
I don't know what you gonna do.
I don't either.
let's look through it real quick.
Got his labor in my custody.
I won't lie to you guys again. I swear to God I won't.
Labor in my custody or something.
I have to take care of him too.
She's got that bag on and it's gotta be changed. And... Shut up.
I come in the door, I say your name, you sit back here and hide. You don't get arrested.
Where did you hide?
No, I don't get arrested.
Really, I'm
Do you have
sorry.
any more cigarettes?
Huh?
Outside.
Me?
Yeah, you gotta have a jacket on her.
You need a jacket? I'll let you get a jacket.
Get a
You want a jacket?
Do you want to grab our jacket?
We're going to go over here to the right.
Thank you, Denny.
No? Okay.
Jacket?
Oh my God.
We're going to go over here to the right.
Thank you, Denny.
Then we're going to go to the last squad car. That car will be warm.
Hey Hughes, do you need her returned? Hughes, dispatch is asking, do you want the return for her? Oh, we're over here.
Nate Wilson was found to be operating a vehicle while his license was revoked and could face a fine or misdemeanor. The woman was arrested for obstruction of justice for repeatedly lying, denying, and obstructing the investigation. The incident ended with her being escorted to the vehicle, the police locking the doors, and leaving the scene in an orderly manner. The woman was arrested for obstruction of justice for repeatedly lying, denying, and obstructing the investigation. The incident ended with her being escorted to the vehicle, the police locking the doors, and leaving the scene in an orderly manner. If you like it, like and subscribe to the channel.